Okay, I'm going to put a little video together here to show how to set these timers for ISY solar rotors. The setup is simple. I've got a few little hinges over here that I'm going to have adjust for sun up and sundown. They're going to move open or closed according to sun up and sundown. Well, one challenge is in the video it's going to take a long time to show that, so I'm going to emulate what it is, but I'm going to show you how the setup is. So I've got a little set of rotors over here, a little typical solar array with 3 rotors and a couple of solar panels. I've got a LCD here. I've got a programmable block running the ISY solar rotors and a timer block. That's really all I've got, and these hinges. Now the first thing you do is you got to kind of think backwards. That's the way I always look at this. Is you want all of these to move at one time. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is worry about these guys. And we'll go in here and we set up a group, and I've got those called stand, and I've got these 4 hinges in there. And as I'm do a reverse on those, let's see if I can get over here where I can. Oh, I've got another programmable block here that makes it easier to see that. So I'll just go to the stand and I hit reverse. And they all go down. And then if I hit reverse, they all go back up. So those are working, doing the things I want to happen. And they're doing it all at once in the group. So that's the biggest important thing, is that you get the stand in there. Or the whatever you're going to call it. But you get the group that's got all of those, and it moves them all at one time. Okay, now we only have one thing we have to think about dealing with. And that's just the group. So we come in here to the timer, and I've just added a little timer, and it's called stand timer. And what it does is when we set up the action, all it does here is it goes to the groups, and it does the stand reverse. That's the only thing it does. And I'll just take this out real quick and show you. That's all I'm going to do is I've gone to groups, I right click on stand, and I click reverse. That's the only thing it's ever going to do, this whole timer. You could do a whole lot of stuff in a timer, but that's all this is going to do. Okay, so we get out of that. And now when we trigger that, guess what? Those move up and down. So they do exactly what we want to do. And the timer is ready. Okay, so how do we trigger that timer? Well, we can go in here and just hit trigger now. We can do it from a button. We could do it from different places. But what we're wanting to do is do that from ISY's solar array here. So solar alignment, solar whatever it's called. Solar alignment script, that's what it is. Okay, so we come in here and down towards the bottom of the setup stuff. Not in all of that, but you get in before the rotor options, and these enthusiasts don't need to get in there. Just get into the external timer blocks. And then in your events, you want that to do, in this case, let's say it's sunrise and sunset. Okay, so you put sunrise and sunset, and what do you want it to do? Well, I wanted to trigger that timer, and then it's going to open or close those hinges, depending on if it's sunrise or sunset. Great, we're done. Really, that's all there is to it. And then this program determines when sunrise and sunset is. And as I said, in the video, that's going to be the hard thing to show you, because we're running in night mode, yeah, but I can't really emulate the time exactly, because we've got here, it's still, we got the time has now settled down. It takes a while for the script to understand what time it is. And right now it says it's at 13:42, and day length, or dawn was at 11:30, and dusk was 12:28. But it's still calculating. And so that's what I'm saying. It's not quite caught up with all this, because I just built this real quick. And it's not going to really be too easy to show that. We might get lucky, and I've had it do it a time or two. If I just come in here and change the time of day by admin stuff and just kind of hit that. And sometimes it catches it and says, oh, okay, yeah, we're in the day or the night. See, the timer's flashing. There it goes. Okay, great. So it identified that, and then the stuff moved because it identified that we were inside the time of the daytime. Let's see if we can fake it to go back to night again. It may or may not. Looks like it's not going to. But anyway, we saw it do it once. So, we can presume it's going to do that every time. And it'll just reverse that at daytime or nighttime. Might have to go over here at actually dusk. See if that makes a difference. You may or may not. I may not catch it. I don't know exactly how to emulate those, but we did get to see it once, so that was pretty great. Let's see. Not going to do it, looks like. So, or maybe I don't have it quite far enough to be quite dark yet, or who knows. The panels are aligning, but it doesn't look like they're quite yet in night mode. So maybe I have to come back over here to night mode. Oh well, that's the last one I'm going to try. But you get the idea, and that should bring them together for sunrise and sunset. This should open and close and all that. So have fun.